Okay, so when we put the paper in the first time with a new set, we need to fan the paper first of all. Also, what I tend to do is get rid of the vertical stacker first. Then I make sure that it's all running nicely before then I add the stacker into it. Otherwise, it's just something else that might go wrong with it. So we'll fan the paper. Cool, so nice and fanned, brilliant. Cool, and then we'll pop it in the stacker. And then we just make sure the separator on here is correct. I'll explain that in a minute. Cool, and then once we're up it, then we can press start. Okay, so once we're happy with it, then we would just put the stacker onto it and go from our next thing. So with regards to the creasings, this is our creasing blade here. You adjust, if you want the creasing off, you unscrew the two grub screws here and here, split it, so pull this one this way and that one that way, and that will take off the crease inside of it. If you're still getting like an indentation, then here and here you've got your two little spanner holes, so pop your spanner in there and go clockwise, and that opens up the rollers, so it will separate these ones doing it clockwise. So you have to do both sides, so just watch that it's moving open when you do it. So it's just that one and that one you need to do clockwise. And then thus again, if you need it to tighten it, you just go anti-clockwise and that brings it together a bit more, and you'll need to find your perfect spot for your fold on here. If it starts cutting through the actual crease, it's too much pressure through it, so we just need to release the pressure on those holes as well. Alright, so that's that. We usually run it kind of in automatic as well, so we just keep it running all the time, so it doesn't stop, so it just stays like this constantly. It will rub on there, but it's just easier to add the paper to it rather than stop start. So we run it on automatic basically on our settings here. So when you stop it, then you get your full count. On here, we need lighter papers go this way, and we kind of, on this one we're running 60 GSM, so we've got we've done it about midpoint. On this is your separator, so for the bit of paper. So on here you've got your roller underneath, so basically if you go anti-clockwise it opens up the roller. If you go clockwise it tightens it. So when you put your paper in, okay, you kind of want a bit of a, on here you can't it's just biting basically, so you can't get it through your roller, but you just kind of got to find that kind of spot for it. I can